Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can install, remove, and manage extensions in the Shift AI browser. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is navigate to the Shift AI browser, and the Shift AI browser uses the Chrome extension center here, for example, right? So if you'd like to install one, you will need to access it via this button in the top right, extensions, and then choose either manage extensions or add extensions. And then, as I said, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. And here you may navigate to extensions. Go with one of these categories here, like productivity or education. And then go with any of these, like for example, I don't know, Google Translate for the sake of this tutorial. Click into add to Shift here. So as you can see guys, there are these two options, install on Chrome or add to Shift. So if you click into this button, the Chrome web browser will be open on your device. So if you'd like to install the extension on Shift, you will need to click into this button. And that's it. So once the given extension has been added, you will be given the opportunity to access it here in the top right corner. It will be listed here in the toolbar. You may also remove it by navigating to manage extensions, and you will see it listed here, so that you may remove it from there or deactivate it, or navigate to the Chrome web store to see these extensions that can be installed. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.